What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Street Bob Build series, and we are on part 7. We are going to be modifying Seth's fender. We're going to put a Custom Dynamics license plate relocation kit on there that's also going to eliminate the blinkers. Let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and take a look. Running light works. Brake lights, that's the front brake, rear brake, both of them work. Right blinker, left blinker, right blinker with the brakes, left blinker with the brake. There we go. And that's that. We'll see you guys on the next one.